It's meal prep day again. Today I'm gonna prep healthy breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, and dessert that will get you 100 grams of protein per day. For breakfast, we're making gingerbread overnight oats. For lunch, healthy chicken nuggets, chocolate coconut bites. For a snack, and for dinner, a stir fry. And lastly, for dessert, healthier gingerbread frozen yogurt pops. Let's start with the breakfast.
This time I'm making blended overnight oats. These are perfect for you if you don't like the texture of regular overnight oats. I add all the ingredients into a blender: oats, chia seeds, high protein Greek yogurt, maple syrup for sweetness, vanilla extract and gingerbread spice for flavor, and lastly, some milk. Then I just blend until creamy. I divide the mixture into glass jars. I add some fresh blueberries and raspberries on top. These are a super quick and easy breakfast idea for the holiday season.
Then I just store these in the fridge, and in the morning they're going to be thick and creamy.
For lunch, I'm prepping crispy chicken nuggets, potato wedges, and steamed vegetables. First, I chop all the veggies. Then I mix a little bit of olive oil and a pinch of salt with the potatoes. Next, I prep the chicken nuggets. I have 3 bowls here. In the first bowl, I have flour, salt, and pepper. In the second one, I have 2 beaten eggs. And in the last one, breadcrumbs. First, I roll the chicken pieces in the flour, then in the egg mixture, and lastly in the breadcrumbs until they're fully coated. Then I just repeat the process for the rest of the chicken pieces.
I'm cooking everything in Ciara's Nosh oven. This versatile 8-in-1 appliance combines multiple functions into one device, including steaming, air frying, and baking. We don't have the biggest kitchen, so the compact size of the oven helps to save space since it doesn't take that much counter space.
I'm steaming the veggies and air frying the chicken nuggets and the potatoes. The Nosh oven makes prepping healthy meals quick and easy as it doesn't need preheating. The potatoes and chicken nuggets turn out a lot crispier when air frying them compared to baking in a regular oven. But it doesn't make them dry, which often happens when you try to bake crispy chicken nuggets in a regular oven. Because one of the coolest features the Nosh oven has is the 20-second steam out, which locks in all those nutrients and flavors so the food comes out perfectly tender and juicy. The oven is also great for reheating meal prep foods. It can make the meal prep chicken nuggets and potatoes crispy again and make them taste more like when they were first cooked. It's also super easy to clean since it has a steam cleaning function. Just by pressing a button, the oven will clean itself, which saves a lot of time. Then I just wipe it with a paper towel.
The Black Friday deals are here. Use my discount code SELMA to get some great offers on the Nosh oven. Check the description box for more details. For snack, I'm making chocolate coconut protein bites.
First, I mix together peanut butter and maple syrup. I use a creamy, unsweetened peanut butter that is 100% made of peanuts. Then I add unsweetened cacao powder, vegan chocolate protein powder, shredded coconut, and some almond milk. Then I just stir to combine. Next, I roll the mixture into 12 bites. I roll the bites in shredded coconut. These protein bites are so yummy. The combination of chocolate and coconut is super delicious.
For dinner, we're gonna make an easy stir fry.
First, I make the sauce. I add all the ingredients into a glass container, low sodium soy sauce, beef stock, rice vinegar, maple syrup, but you could also use honey, sesame oil, cornstarch, a pinch of pepper, and chili flakes. Next, I fry the beef strips on a pan for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. You could also use chicken or tofu in this recipe. I season it with salt and pepper. When the beef is cooked, I set it aside. I wipe the pan clean and then I add some olive oil and all the vegetables. This time I'm using bell peppers, mushrooms, and sugar snap peas. I cook them on medium to high heat for about 8 minutes. Then I add the cooked beef strips, chopped green onions, and the sauce. Then I just stir and cook for a few more minutes until the sauce thickens. I serve it with rice noodles and chopped green onions. Such a tasty dinner.
You wanted to see more healthier desserts, so we're gonna make gingerbread frozen yogurt pops, which are a fun dessert idea for the holiday season.
I mix together full-fat Greek yogurt, maple syrup, gingerbread spice, and vanilla extract. I spoon the mixture into popsicle molds. I let them set in the freezer for about 3 hours. Then I melted 80% dark chocolate with a little bit of coconut oil and I dip the popsicles in it. I sprinkle some crushed gingerbread cookies on top. These are such a fun and easy dessert idea for the holidays. And here are all the ready meals.
Those were all the meals I meal prepped today. Let me know in the comments what kind of meal prep recipes you would want to see next. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. I hope you tried the recipes. Enjoy!